The fake eating cry. So not too bad. How you feel about these green beans? Not too good, huh? You'll eat them though. Yep. Say not another bite of that. Give me that squash again. Yeah. I like the squash. Faster, please. I'm waiting. This is when we gotta trick you with the green beans. Trick. Say, I don't like the green beans. Let me do another trick. Did a trick on the green beans again. We'll go back to squash. You ready? Ready for some squash? Gotta do the green bean trick. Green beans. Ready? Oh, you're making a little mess. We'll come back for dessert.